Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, what do I have here? It finally made it to Talking Bullion. I'm so honored to be on the list and receive something as awesome as this. As many of you know, this round was heisted away, and it has ended up here with me and Mrs. Talking Bullion. So we're pretty excited to share some time with it, to have some fun with it, and to let this round have some great experiences while joining us. So what round am I talking about? Yes, folks, I am talking about the Salivate Metal 2-ounce round. Hey, Mrs. TB, come over here. Check out what I got in the mail today.
What? Now talking bullion, how did you get that?
Well, it got heisted, and
Hoisted?
it did. It got heisted, and Silver Stealer then sent it to me.
Wait a minute. Wait. It got heisted, and then Silver Stealer stole it?
No, Mrs. TB. He's not that kind of stealer. He's a Pittsburgh Steeler fan.
Oh, I see. Okay. So
what we need to do
What?
is we need to hang out with it and have some fun, because this has been to some really cool people, and now we got a chance to hang out with it, and we also got a chance to touch and hold the same thing that so many classic YouTubers have had themselves. I mean, this is so awesome.
Well, you know what? I think? I think that we can take Sal's Silver to Silver Lake and the sand dunes.
Well, Mrs. TV, that would be great. Oh, but wait a minute. It's wintertime. The Silver Lake Sand Dune Park is closed for the winter.
Oh, no. Well, maybe you can just have it tag along with you for a while. Before you ship it off to the next person on the list.
Oh, man, it'd be great to hang out with Salivate Metal's 2-ounce round. It's such a beautiful, chunky piece of metal. I love it. I think you got a great idea, but...
What?
But maybe...
What? Maybe what?
Maybe I have an idea, Mrs. TB.
Okay.
So what are we going to do? All right, well, this is what I decided. Sal is in a band. He loves to play the guitar. He gets that guitar out once in a while and plays for us live. And it's pretty cool to have him go through some of his stuff. And I thought, Salivate Metal round is born, and it always has a little piece of us with it. So I thought, well, maybe it's time to Salivate Metal round experience some more heavy metal music. How does that sound? And we can take the Talking Bullion round, put it next to the Salivate Metal round, and of course it looks like the big brother. And yeah, it's pretty cool. But mine's not available online from Atmex either, though. Talking Bullion has not made it to that step yet, but maybe someday. So what are we going to do? We are going to take some time to play some music with the Salivate Metal round. Before we do that, why don't we put the Salivate Metal, not too many rounds have made it to the Talking Bullion coin cam, but let's have the Salivate Metal be one of the first. So let's check this thing out. Oh yeah, there we go. The Salivate Metal round is under Talking Bullion's coin cam. Look at that. Look at the features of that thing. Some great design. Not just a basic design, but look at all those minor details that are filled in on that thing. As you can see, it says coins, bullion, commentary, 2 troy ounces of fine silver. Man, 2 troy ounces. Let's flip it over. Let's look at the other side. All right, a multitude of gratitude. The Salvation Nation. You can see he's got the 2 cats there in the middle next to a symbol. So yeah, that is pretty cool, huh? And what's it say underneath the shield there? Let me get out my loop and let me just pull it off the screen here momentarily. Let's see what this says. It says Salivate Metal. Wow. This one has some great detail, even in that little band. Let me see if I can point out to you what I'm talking about. This little band right underneath here says Salivate Metal. Is that cool or what? Nice detail there for sure. So let's bring it back over to the main screen. Bring out this round, put it back, and let's put the talking bullion round back in place. Gonna have to move her back down a little bit. Bring a little bit of focus back into it. And we are good to go. So what are we gonna do? Well, we're gonna have the Salivate Metal round. Join in the audience and enjoy some metal music from Talking Bullion. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. But before we do that, let me show you what's going to be in the video. So let's talk about our stars of the show. Of course, we have the Salivate Metal round. But also joining us today is a beautiful Gibson Les Paul Standard. We can see it right there. Just an absolutely gorgeous guitar. Always wanted a Gibson Les Paul, and I now have one. I've had it for a while. It is a beautiful, beautiful guitar, and we will be hearing what she sounds like in a little while. Pretty nice. I'm doing this high def style, so that's why we can't get it all on the screen at the same time. Pretty beautiful guitar though. Okay, so pretty cool, huh? Got herself a nice Gibson Les Paul Studio. Just an absolutely beautiful, precious guitar. Love it. Gibson Les Paul, been a big fan ever since I was a little child. Loved the Gibson Les Paul. Used to be a big Kiss fan back in the early 70s, mid 70s. The Ace Frehley playing the Gibson Les Paul. Pretty awesome guitar. And as anybody who enjoys rock music knows, the Gibson Les Paul is a classic. Absolutely gorgeous guitar. So why don't we go ahead and play a little bit of music and allow the Salivate Metal to have a little bit of fun. Okay, so there you go. What'd you think, Salivate Metal Round? Huh? You having a hard time hearing right now? Is that music a little too loud for you? We had fun. Had fun playing some music for you. Had fun having you enjoy us in the crowd. We really appreciate you stopping by the Talking Bullion household and having some fun with us. So next up, you are going to make another round and you're going to head on out and you are going to go on another adventure. So thank you for joining us. Really appreciate it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.